So Otis, now what are we looking at online?
I'm looking for a deal, Chris.
Otis, man, what is wrong with you? This is one of those big online scams.
What do you mean?
You're looking for the large or the medium pizza oven, right?
Duh, you're looking over my shoulder.
If you buy it online, they're gonna drop it off in a crate in your driveway, unassembled.
I can assemble it. I got muscles.
Even the medium weighs over 300 pounds. Is your grandma gonna help? And the deluxe tall cart. You and Mrs. Otis can lift it that high?
I didn't think of that.
Not to mention, but I will, you're gonna pay too much online. And in shipping, it could arrive damaged, missing parts.
No way.
Yes way. You gotta get it right from the importer for the best deal, and you'll never get a better deal than factory direct.
Oh, well, who's the importer?
The same place you got your wood insert from, and Grandma's fireplace, Dean's Stove and Spot. And they'll deliver it and set it up, direct from their warehouses.
Oh!
Plus, I know they give previous customers even better deals, always.
Loyalty does have its rewards.
True. Come on, let's head over there and I'll get you set up.
Awesome. And once I'm all set up, I'll have you over for a peanut butter and jelly pizza.
You're disgusting.
I know.
Dean Stove and Spa imports Clementi and Rossofuoco pizza ovens factory direct to pass those savings right on to you, the consumer. Thanks, Deans.